I'm going to show you how to clean your floor mats and give them a water repellent coating that will just beat off any spills so you can wipe them away. So just like when you wash a car, you pressure wash to remove the loose dirt, doing the same here. We can remove these leaves and this grit, and we're going to use the vacuum cleaner. Just the same principle. What I would suggest doing is just picking it up like this and then hitting it with a glove, and you can see the dust falling out. Shake it around as well, just loosen as much dust as possible. So you can see all the dust that this has brought to the surface, look. And that's why it's important to hit it and shake it as much as possible. By hitting it, you get that dust to the surface and then you can wash it away or it gets blown away. If your carpet's as dusty as this one, you might want to use a drill brush on it, just dry, to help remove some of that dust. And even if you don't wash it, that has made a huge difference. And now's a good time to check for any stains that need special attention, and we've got one here. If you look, the S is much darker, so there's clearly a stain there that we need to remove. Pressure washing will help wash away some of that dirt and wet the carpet for the next step, which is soap. How brown this all is. That's all the grime. That was stopped by the pressure washer cord. Look at that, that is awful. But that carpet looks fantastic now. That looks so much cleaner. So it's now a few days later and the carpet is dry, and you can see we've removed all those stains around the Porsche badge, which is very good. But if we want to keep it stain free, we want to protect it, and what we can do is make it hydrophobic, like this one over here, which I've already done. Those are the water beads, because this carpet won't absorb water, and the carpet is perfectly dry. And on the hottest day possible, in full sun, we just spray this on. And then leave that in the sun 24 hours or as close to that as possible, and it should just bead water. 3 days later and any water just rolls off.